All right, welcome back everybody. So here we have it. We're gonna be doing bacon and eggs on our new Blackstone Pro series. Now on the previous video, we did the seasoning, and then my first cook was gonna be bacon. So what more can I add with the bacon and eggs? Bacon and eggs, love bacon and eggs. And I know you guys will too. So let's get this Blackstone fired up. Dab of oil in there, just so. Let's add our bacon. So I'm cooking at low heat because bacon, it comes fast. So if I keep it on low, I can control it. Remember that, keep it on low. And then eggs, don't let it be on high either. Eggs, if you cook it on low, you'll be able to control it and get it just the way you want it. So I got my tongs for this one, for the bacon.
Nice flip.
Bacon almost ready where you like it, crispy, not so crispy. Then you can kind of tell when it's time to put the eggs in. For me, we like our eggs not that crispy. I mean, our bacon not too crispy, where you can still have a nice fold to them. Now, you guys can cook on high. Once, if you have a lot of people over, you're camping, this is perfect what to do for camping also. You can put it on high, but you're gonna have to be here and move it, keep moving it. When it's low and slow, you kind of guarantee yourself that you're not gonna burn it, because you can see it when it starts to coloring and getting crisp, getting that nice brown, golden brown color. See, the bacon's almost ready. Put some over here so I can get the eggs cooking on this side. So if you've seen me how I cook my eggs, I have the griddle, the egg griddle ring, egg ring. See, these are almost ready. So now I can start getting my eggs going. I'm gonna get some of this oil. I don't need that much oil. Just like that. That's good enough. Now, let's get this eggs going. Get those griddles. So, for eggs, always cook low. It's that easy. And there you go for that. Bacon look like it's going to be done right when the eggs are done. And that's the thing that I always believe is that's something that you have to master. Is knowing how long some food takes, where you can get everything done at the same time. Like the bacon, once you start to know, okay, it's getting close to getting done, let me put the eggs in. That way when the eggs are done, the bacon is done, everything comes out, and you can go eat when everybody goes eat. Now everybody loves bacon and eggs. My son loves bacon and eggs. See what I'm saying? By keeping it low, you keep an eye on your bacon to where exactly where you want it at. And then the eggs, just boom. You just pop out, just like that. This is pretty much ready. Where we like it. Right. No stick. The bacon is pretty much almost perfect. This is how we like our bacon. See, this is just a little, okay, it's ready to come off. So I'm gonna put it on the top pile and let the other ones in the bottom. Bacon. Let's take out our bacon. Oh, look at that nice color we got on that bacon. Eggs are ready. Over easy eggs. Come on. And there goes that. Let's go ahead and turn these bad boys off. Get this going. There you guys have it. Bacon and eggs on the Blackstone Griddle. The Blackstone Griddle, if you guys haven't had a Blackstone Griddle, they gave me the Blackstone Griddle for Father's Day 3 years ago, the old model I had. And I was like, I don't know how to cook. But I don't know, something about the Blackstone that brings the cook out of everybody. And I wanted to learn, and I just kept learning and learning and learning. And now this model Pro Series is, when I first laid eyes on this, was love at first sight. And so finally got it. Love cooking on this. It makes cooking eggs, makes cooking bacon, makes cooking anything you want to cook easier than what it looks like. You know, sometimes there's things that I'm like, ooh, I don't know if I want to cook that. But eggs and bacon. Look at that. Perfect eggs. Wow, bacon is perfect. The way we like it. You guys can do your own tweaks, make it your own. But this is how we like it and how I like it. Eggs are a little runny, just a tad. Bacon and eggs, baby. Bacon and eggs. There's a lot of great things that were coming. My next video, we're going to be doing pork fried rice on a Blackstone Griddle. That was one of them that I was a little scared of. Like, ooh, pork fried rice. I don't even know how to make pork fried rice. I don't even know how to make rice. But once you start to look into it, it's not that hard. It's actually pretty easy. You just need to know what you need to make it. I already bought all the stuff that I need, and I'm ready to roll. I feel confident. I believe in myself to get this pork fried rice done next video. So you guys gotta remember, it may look hard, but just take a look at it. It's not that bad. Now, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit that like. Make sure you guys hit that boom, hit that subscribe button, because there's more great content coming. You guys do not want to miss any of it. Now, if you guys want to be pals, you know, go ahead and check out these new videos. Check out these videos. They ain't bad. Pretty good. I mean, they're alright, but they're good. Hit this little guy right here for subscribe. Easier way to subscribe. Thank you guys, and we'll see you guys next time.